like in a jazz band, the bass player, because what he's doing is what's like going on. So the chords that I play and the stuff that I do is just what everybody has to do, no matter what they want. So if I'm going, it means we're walking. It's a B flat blues and this much in 4/4 time. So it changes I do, everybody else has to do also. So that's why the bass is like a supremacy clause. And then there's also the elastic clause, which is like a soloist, like a clarinet. So maybe like the key signature says we should just be like in G minor, which is this. But clarinet player's like, dude, it'd be super hip if I played a major sixth anyway, which makes it necessary and proper. So you're like, even though you're in G minor, you can go like, I'm shaking, I'm sorry. You know, that note that shouldn't occur in G minor, but it sounds cool sometimes if you go, because it's more hip. And that's why jazz is like federalism.
Very nice.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
That was awesome.